So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. This video is gonna be very special, interesting and also very teachable for all of the beginners because today you can see we are three persons, my dad, my friend, his name is Kunal and me. We are gonna do the conversation today. Yes guys, in English and we will play with this English language. So guys, just watch our communication, what we will speak and what are the question will be and enjoy this video.
I will say first, why English is very important. And
I want to give this answer.
yes,
So this English language is also very important for us because nowadays everywhere this English is surrounded for us, like our phones, our laptops, and for all of the materials that we are using, they're all written by the English, and also their works is also in English. And the most important are our phone. In phone, there all of the apps are in the English language, and also I believe mostly that if I wanna just success in my life and if I want to make my dreams come true, then I need the English language must because nowadays in everything we need the English language, like you can take the scientists, the doctors, the engineers, and also in fact the job. If you want to give and if we want a great and also a strong job, then we have to give a strong introduction. We have to speak the English language for our introduction time. So that's why I always say, and also in engineering, if we want to be a bigger engineer, then we also need to know the English because everywhere in the materials and also the materials works, everything is right in the English. So that's why I think nowadays English is very important.
English is
Yes.
English language.
And now please Kunal give your advice of English.
I also say that English is very complicated.
Yes.
That everything needing everything. Like when we go to the interview hall, so without English we cannot like interview. We are like in our like who question us. So what they are saying we cannot understand if we do not know it.
Yes, it is
English
right.
must be important. That everything, every like mobile, also computer, also we need English. Without English, we cannot type anything. We cannot send a message anything without English. All about the things we need English.
Yes,
It is very important.
So that's why every people is very important. Today also in the English language, everyone. So I have seen so many people also they read in English medium, so but they cannot speak fluently. And what is the reason? Can you tell something?
So yes, I can tell this is also a great answer that there are a number of English medium schools and also a number of sources. But a number of people they want to speak the English language fluently, but they can't for a number of reasons. And I will say to everyone that first select your target and also select your position. Like there are a number of people, many people, they're just reading, they are trying to learn the English language for only the subject, for only the good exam, for only the question answer, but it is not the right way. English is the most important language for us. So I believe and I always follow that I always have to give the English language respect because it is our very beneficial also language for us and it is so complicated. So I always think that it is a language and I also think it is like second mother. That's why I want to learn this language. So this thing I want everyone speak this thing and also number of people they just force themselves to learn the English language. But it is not the right way to speak or to always try to like learn the English language. I think that for to English we have to be free and also I always try to enjoy with this English language. Like now we are doing the conversations, means we are playing with this. Okay, this is also. So always try to enjoy the English language. Always try to just focus, not focus, watch movies, watch cartoons, and also how we learn the Hindi language. Our mother tongue is Bengali, so how we learn the Hindi language?
We are listen.
Yes, we always listen to cartoons like Shinchan, Doraemon, and also number of. In these cartoons, we just hear the Hindi language, Hindi. So that's why I think listening is also great power, and I also tell all of my subscribers that read and listen, enjoy with this English language.
Like LSRW.
Yes, LSRW also listening, speaking,
Now-
reading, writing.
Now, okay, Kunal, say something about LSRW. And what will you say?
Then LSRW means that listening, speaking, reading, writing. These are most important to learn this language also. There are four things are very important to learn this thing. Without these four things, you cannot learn this language. That listening when we example like when we hear a song, first time we just try to speak, but we cannot
Like you also think.
yes. So we cannot sing it properly. When we just listen it 15 times, 13 times, then we can properly speak. So that's why when English also same. If you watch all the creators video in also YouTube, all the creators video 15 times, 100 times in English topics. So you can also when written you can also try to speak. So that listening, speaking also like same. If you cannot speak anything, so you cannot when a child if he or she does not speak, so how he can speak? He or she can speak. That speak something. He also can listen and try to speak. When you just speak in this language, so you can learn properly this language. Without speaking, you cannot learn.
Yes, and
And,
now I have a question for
yes.
you. You just answered a number of questions. So my question is that there are also many people they are watching our conversation. So they also want to do the conversation in English language, but they are facing a number of problems. So I want to say you that please give our audience some tips and also some advice, and with the help of those advice how we can learn and also how we can develop our communication skills, because a number of people they can give the introduction but not the big sentences. Now I am giving and also I am asking you the question. So a number of people they just face problems in this point. So can you give the answer?
Yes. I will say to you, I also have traveled all over the EU, but I have seen so many people also they learn, they can learn, they can read, but they cannot speak language. That's why I will say to you. So if you read properly, then you can first you have to understand. Yes. Then after you can copy some. You have to copy some quotes, some stories. All time you can read some interesting thoughts, ideas. So I always say speaking is better than reading and writing.
Yes, it is the
And-
head of LSRW.
Yes, I always say that LSRW is very important for us. And you can follow this rule, LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, writing. And I always say my students, you can first you have to know some rules regulation. Then English language has more rules regulation. All time, so many people also today also here in this board. I right here. I saw yesterday here. Means I saw yesterday, and some people also some students they cannot give this answer properly. So means আমি দেখেছিলাম, and I right here I saw yesterday here. It means আমি গতকাল একটা পড়া এখানে দেখেছিলাম. Means once saw means আমি দেখেছিলাম, and another one means পড়া. We cut with this wood cutter.
Yes, wood cutter.
This পড়া. So this also how different, many different, and I also find out many kinds of words The spelling is same. But if you don't know these words, how you can understand and how you can speak and how when some words will come, some like these words, then we can feel further. So that's why I would advise to you, you have to read more and more, and you have to read one story, from 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12 times. All times you have to read, and I also so many books all time I read in my book. So I always said the English language is very difficult, and we say that computer language is very terrible language.
Yes.
So many who are there can try to speak. They always say that English language is very terrible. Now I will say to you some quotes, stories, and one of the important things is that here you have to speak. Must you have to speak. No mistake, but it is not matter. This is language and shyness and
Yes, it is important. So this thing also
now
is very important. I think.
how we remove and shyness.
Okay, how to remove the sinus? It is
I think also this shyness and hesitation also very important.
yes, it is very important to speak the English language because when you also try to communicate and also to conversation to anyone like a new person with a new one and also in a group and in a stage performance, then we hesitate from the people. This is a very big problem and also very big fear. The fear from people, and this thing I will tell one just step you can remove this fear from yourself. It is that always try to do some body activities and also always try to speak. This is a key. Like the conversation, for to develop our conversation, we have to do some communication. We have to do conversation with our friends, with our family members every time. Like I am doing conversation with both of you. Means I am also developing my conversation skills. It is a point. And also for to remove our shyness, we have to speak. Otherwise, you can't. Like the stories, take any moral stories and also anything, and then just read it, copy it, and try to explain it in your own words. When you will speak more and more times, then your fluency and your confidence level will grow up. And when our confidence level will grow up, then you'll able to speak this English language in front of anyone without hesitating. And also there is a very big problem that if I just put my hands together and I just speak that my name is Pratik Verma, you have to do this, otherwise you can't. So it is not the right way to speak, to express your feelings. You have to do body expression, like I am moving my hands, means I am speaking fluently, freely.
And feel
Yeah, freely. In our mother tongue also, we don't speak like, do you know yesterday I saw your accident. We say that, do you know yesterday I saw your accident. Two cars that crashed together by unbalancing. So yeah, the body expression is most important. And also, and also for the stage practices, a number of people they also face this problem. They always just hesitate in the stages when they give a speech. But I will tell you that the most difficult time of a speech, it is the first 5 or 4 minutes. When we just take a mic on our hand and when we speak first time in the stage, then it is the first difficulty. But after 6-7 minutes, it will be over. But we have to speak repeatedly, and we have to also speak with the people. Look, there is 2 type of practices: a practice with a person or a practice with in front of a mirror. Okay, these 2 practices are very different, and I think that I am just conversation and I am talking with you. It is my most powerful practice, and I am developing so quickly. So it is the thing, and I wanna say. And Kunal, can you tell me a very important question? And I also faced it, like now why? There are also a number of mistakes that we do with speaking the English language or also to learn the English language, but we can't get all of them. Then what are the mistakes is and why we're not developing? A number of people and everybody in our society can do anyone. They are just reading the grammar rules, always they are listening, but they are not able to speak. And also everyone, if you ask anyone, then they can easily give you the advice. Means people understand the English, but they can't speak. Why? Please give us some advice about this.
Because they do there's five mistake. The five mistake is very like a dangerous mistake. So
What are they?
that number one is like a hesitance. I always say
Yes.
that hesitance. You also can say that hesitance. That hesitance is like a very dangerous. When somebody came in front of us, so we just hesitate and we just upset. If we do mistakes, what he or he is think, what he or
Yes.
think about.
It is
So
very important.
this is the problem and this is the mistake. Don't hesitate who are in front of you or me. That speak like a freely and confidently. That when you just do it, so your hesitance also remove. This is the mistake to everyone. When somebody came in front of us, we are hesitant. And this is the number one mistake. And number two mistake. And speaking, we cannot speak anything. Like when we just speak in somebody near in front of us, so we just like afraid. We just afraid, hesitate or afraid. We just afraid. So that's why we cannot like speak something. That speaking is the most important thing to learn English language or anything. That speaking is most important. Like when a company when a guest will came in company, so if they cannot speak anything, so how the guest feel, it's very bad. So when he just speak something, it's a goodly, so the guest also feel that very nice. So this is the speaking is the most important thing to like learn. We cannot speak. So this is the number two mistake. The number three mistake is like a concentration. Concentration, that how we build our concentration. Like when we read a book, we just read in the middle of the reading. In the middle of the reading, when we just sit down in the study, we will read the study in the middle of the time.
Yes.
So this thing, if you go this, so you cannot learn it. You cannot learn. The story of this thing that if you read story in the middle of the thing, so you cannot learn. The story is the most important.
Yes, I also believe that we have to first read the story. We have to explain it.
Yes, the story is the most important. That when we just read story, so we have lot of stock words. So in this stock words, we used to speak anything. So this is the very important. So then number three. Number three is like listening. We cannot listen what is another person say. Like our teacher, what he says, but we cannot listen. When we cannot listen, so we cannot like speak. Listening is the most important. Like example, I will say that when we like listen something, we just try to speak it. When we just listen it like 10 times, 15 times, so then we can speak in this thing is properly. So listening is the most important. And number four is like confidence. Confidence also like we do not have confidence. Like in stage, when we just enter the stage, when we take a mic, so when we just try to speak it, and our confidence level also like fall down. Yes, we just speak anything. So this is the problem. When we just speak anything, so we just feel like if we do mistakes, so what about the audience? The people are thinking they all are laughing. That this is called this is the very important. To build up a confidence. So how to build up a confidence? You in front of me, you talking about yourself. That what did you do yesterday? What will you do tomorrow? Like you just try to speak. And also you can call your friend and your friend come and you just do conversation with them. So you like the confidence also build up and you can learn also confidence.
So guys, this thing I always just tell to everyone. So from this conversation, we try to provide everyone that speaking is the most important. It can be for anything. If you want to remove your hesitation, then also you need the practice, means the speaking practice. And then if you want to speak the English fluently, confidently, then also. And for to make new sentences, I will always tell to everyone that speak. If the LSRW, the speaking is the most important. So always try to speak, and that's why I always tell to everyone that listen English, read English, write English, but speak English with Pradeep Burman. So guys, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon and like this video. Thank you for watching and joining to our conversation. Bye bye. I will meet you in another video with another topic. If you like our conversation, please give a beautiful and supportable comment. Bye bye. Remember, speak for everything. Bye bye.